Hey, what's going on, guys? So in today's tutorial, I just wanted to go ahead and quickly go over a setup on your LMFX broker to then be able to connect it to your MT4 trading platform, right? So this is the LMFX broker, which you will need to trade forex and any type of other indices. One of the reasons why we chose LMFX as our designated broker is because it is a vested broker, meaning it is US regulated. Also, it is FCC secured and backed, meaning it's super secure, it's super safe. Their spreads are extremely low, and they are a customer based orientated company because they have support at any given time that you can call or email, and they will immediately get back to you. Here's also a chat now if you ever want to speak with a representative. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go ahead and open a demo account, right? So once you click here, you open an account, you enter all your information here, and what you should be receiving is an email that is activating your account. Once you've activated your account, then you'll be able to be given the login details. You're going to go ahead and enter your login details to log in, right? But for time's sake, I've already and uploaded all my details and I'm already set up. So if you want to go ahead and just pause this part, set everything up, and come back to us once you're here, then go ahead and get started. So once you're here, you're going to go ahead and start with accounts management. You're going to be able to see all your deposits, all your withdrawals, and this is going to be for your live account. Right now, we're going to be doing a demo account, but let me just show you really quick exactly how to set up also your live account, right? So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to open a trading account. This is the live account. You're going to want to select premium, the 1 to 1000 leverage, your USD, that's the currency, and no bonus. Once you hit submit, you're going to get exactly the same details to log in from your broker to then be able to apply that to your MT4 MetaTrader, right? So let's go ahead and go back to open a demo. I also want to go ahead and talk about on the live account. Once you've already set up your live account, you'll go here for funds management, deposit any form of currency that you might want to be able to trade. This is exactly where you deposit, and this is exactly how you withdraw. What I find very comforting about LMFX is that over the 6 years that I've been with this company, I've never had once a problem with depositing or withdrawing. So that's a positive thing on their side. So we're going to go ahead and just open up a demo account because I always feel like opening up a demo account for a beginner is always useful to be able to get familiar with everything in terms of the interface, the platform, the broker, and be able to really understand it before you go fully in with your live account. Also, one of the most beautiful things about it is with the demo account, you can trade fake money in a real market scenario situation. So here we're going to have a $5,000 account just to make it reasonable, just so that way we can really see markets and see how price really moves depending on our leverage, our stops, and our take profit levels, right? Something reasonable with 5,000. Once you hit submit, you'll be prompted to a screen that will give you all of your login details, which I'm going to go ahead and show you how to put all your details into your MetaTrader 4 platform. Once you've already received your details here, you're going to receive your login number and your trader's password, which, as you can see here, the trader's password can be used to access the LMFX MT4 platform. So it's going to be this one that you use to log in. And I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how to set up your demo account and link it up with your MT4. You open up your MetaTrader, you're going to be in a screen that essentially looks like this. You're going to want to hit the settings button on the bottom right. And once you're here, go ahead and select the settings button, which will then take you to a screen that looks exactly like this. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click this top box right here, and you're going to be shown on this top corner, the plus button. Here you can either create a demo account or log into an existing account. What we're going to do is we're going to log into an existing account, and on the search bar, we're going to go ahead and type the broker's name, which is LMFX. We're going to type that in, LMFX. And what you get is you get two options. You get a demo, and then you also get a live. So like I said, when you're setting up your live account, this is exactly the same way. But for now, we're going to go ahead and set up our demo. You're going to enter your login information here, and let's just go ahead and do that, and everybody follow at home. Once you've logged into your MetaTrader, then you should have a screen that looks like this. So once you're in, you want to check, once you hit the settings here, you'll see that you have your name and the green tab, which means it's a demo account, right? So now we send out our trades. For example, when we send out buy Euro USD by market execution, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go here to your quotes, which is where all the currency pairs are. You're going to want to find Euro USD, which in this case, as you can see, it's the very first one here. The currency pairs are all right here. You'll click Euro USD, and you'll have three options. You'll have trade, chart, and details. What you're going to want to do is you're going to hit trade. And what that's going to send you is to a screen that looks just like this. Here it says market execution, which means immediately as soon as you hit the buy or sell, it's immediately in the trade. For example, this column here is going to be lot size. So just a quick little run through, 0.01 is going to be the first one that really shows up on there. And what that means is you are going to make 10 cents off of every single pip or movement in the market, right? Then you have another one where you can enter, which would be 0.10, which means now you're going to be making $1 per pip or per movement. And then you can do the 1.00, which is a standard lot, which means you're now going to make $10 off of every pip or movement that happens in the market, right? So as you can see in these columns, we have a stop loss and a take profit. We will also give you guys those specific levels. So just come here and erase the numbers and just modify it and enter the numbers that we alert and send out also with the trade under buy Euro USD market execution, right? Once you've already set up these levels, your take profit and stop loss, it's awesome and very convenient because it'll allow you to now be hands-free. You don't have to constantly be on your phone checking all the movements. What you're going to want to do is just enter these levels, and now automatically it will be able to lock you out either with profit or a small stop loss relatively, right? In this case, we went ahead and we sent a buy. So simply we're going to just hit the buy button, and now we're in on the trade. So once you're in on the trade, you'll be prompted to a screen that looks like this. It has exactly how much money you have in your account, as well with the pair that you're in. And if you click on the pair, you can see that even here you can know that you have your stop loss levels and your take profit levels represented by SL and TP. If you click and hold it, you'll have all these options of chart, you have modify, trade, and just really quick, if you do want to go ahead and modify, you can modify it in the middle of a trade. This is if you didn't set your take profit or stop loss levels yet. You just wanted to execute the trade, which you can always just go ahead and enter your stop loss and your take profit levels even during the trade, which is very convenient. So whenever I do say close out the trade, what you're going to want to do is you're going to, again, click and hold, and you see this close button right here. Once you hit the close button, immediately the button here should tell you close with either a profit, or in this case it's just a small loss just because it's for an example purpose. So we're going to close it out, and now we're out of the trade. We're automatically out. Down here on your history tab, you can see the trade that we just recently executed. Just keep it for records just to make sure that everything's checking out okay. Now for that same example, I'm going to show you how to sell that pair. So for example, if we were to go ahead and send a signal that said sell Euro USD by market execution with the rest of the stop loss and take profit levels, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to quotes, which is going to show you your currency pairs. You're going to go again to Euro USD. You're going to hit the trade. And now instead of buying, you're simply just gonna hit the sell button. And now you're in for a sell. Tells you you're in for a sell, and now you can just verify because it says sell, right? Now, the same concept applies. When you want to close it out, you'll simply press and hold, you'll close, and now you can close it out. That's exactly how you can buy and sell on MetaTrader 4. Also, whenever you want to add another currency pair that we might have called out, but it doesn't show up here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to press the plus button, and that's going to, you can scroll up and type in exactly the pair that we mentioned to go ahead and get into, whether it's a buy or a sell. Make sure that you're paying attention to the buy and sells. And then let's say, for example, one of the pairs that we called out was AUD-CAD, which simply press the green plus button, and now it's not going to be in here anymore. You're going to hit done, and you should be sent back to your quotes, which it should be at the bottom. And as you can see, it is AUD-CAD. That's the one we just plugged in. And if you want to just look at all the rest of the information, just charts and stuff like that, that's essentially what's on here. To set up your live account, it's the exact same process to set up your demo. The only difference is you're going to hit settings, you're going to hit where your name is, and on the plus side, now you're going to again log into an existing account. You're going to type in LMFX as your broker. And this time, instead of hitting the demo server, you're now going to hit the live server, which from your live, you should just enter the details that your LMFX broker gives you, and you should be all set and ready to go ahead and trade with us. Is exactly how you set up your broker and connect it to your MetaTrader 4 and go through the procedures of our signals and how we can copy and paste, right? So it's as simple as copying and paste. You can essentially trade Forex anywhere at any given time of the day. It's at your convenience. The most beautiful thing about it also is that all you need is a Wi-Fi service signal. That is it. The convenience of it is it's 24 hours, meaning we're going to be sending you signals all throughout the day. So be sure and be on the lookout for any alerts that we might send out. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to ask me or in the chat. Reach out to any one of our team members. We would be more than glad to help you out with anything that you might have a question on. We're here to help everybody prosper. We're here to see everybody grow, and we can't wait to see you guys on this journey with us. So thank you again for tuning in, and we'll see you guys at the top.